The purpose of this simulation kit is to help teach the user how to properly wire indoor and outdoor DVMS units and can be ordered using the appropriate model name. In order to function properly, the outdoor and indoor units must be connected with both power and communication wiring. Let's review the components that make up this simulation kit. Terminal blocks and a power strip are also required and must be supplied locally. Let's start by making the power connections to both the outdoor and indoor units. In a real-world application, the DVMS outdoor and indoor units should be powered via a separate source. But, for the purposes of simulation, we will use the same power source connected together using the field-supplied terminal block. Samsung requires that wiring be done in a daisy chain fashion and should not be connected using a star wiring configuration. Please use the field-supplied terminal block to connect the power wiring including power cord properly. The next step is to connect the communication wiring. Between indoor units, you should connect the F1-F2 communication cable as illustrated in green. You should then connect the outdoor to indoor units using the same F1-F2 communication cable. And finally connect the OF1-OF2 communication cable between outdoor units as illustrated in yellow. After wiring is complete, please double-check to ensure that connections were made properly and then turn on the power of simulation kit by using the field-supplied power strip. You should notice that OD&D is illuminated, which allows you to configure the basic settings of outdoor unit's main PBA. You should first set the main or sub-outdoor unit setting. Please press the K1 and K2 buttons simultaneously for 2 seconds. OD00 means main outdoor unit. You should then set the quantity of indoor unit connected to that specific outdoor unit. Please press K1 button briefly. ID00 should now be displayed. Please set the quantity of indoor units by using both the K2 and K4 buttons. In this example, this outdoor unit is connected with 3 indoor units. Therefore the K4 button should be pressed 3 times. Finally, in order to save this information, please press the K2 button for 2 seconds. Upon saving the outdoor unit's settings, you should notice that the indoor unit's main address is displayed repeatedly. Finally, you should set the sub-outdoor unit using another main PBA by repeating the same steps previously described for the main unit. The indoor unit configuration is not necessary when setting the sub-outdoor unit. Press the K1 and K2 buttons simultaneously for 2 seconds. Set the sub number as 1 or 2 by pressing the K4 button 1 to 2 times. For example, pressing the K4 button 1 time means sub 1 outdoor unit. Finally, press the K2 button for 2 seconds to save this information. All settings are now complete and the system would be ready to start. Samsung hopes that you enjoyed using this simulation kit. It is suggested to practice multiple times, so that you feel comfortable wiring and configuring DVMS outdoor and indoor units.